Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming essential prerequisites. Your iPhone runs iOS 17, backups are current, and the Launcher app is installed with necessary permissions. Once done, open Launcher and grant shortcuts and notifications access so widgets and actions can run reliably. Make sure location or contacts access is enabled only if you need those actions. These early steps prevent permission errors later, and they let you proceed directly to creating actionable shortcuts, so you can add custom widgets. You now create the functional pieces, open shortcuts, and build the action that Launcher will trigger, testing it once inside shortcuts. Then return to Launcher, add a new widget, and select that shortcut, a URL, or an app action depending on your need. Once selected, customize the icon, label, and tap behavior so the widget behaves predictably. Make sure to test the widget on the home screen because Launcher forwards system restrictions, and you may need to adjust the shortcut to run without prompts. You finish by positioning and resizing the Launcher widget, then tapping to confirm the action executes as planned. If it calls a shortcut, expect a short system handoff. Once done, enable background app refresh for Launcher when actions require updates and lock orientation or focus exemptions as needed. If something goes wrong, recheck shortcuts permissions and recreate the shortcut from scratch. This often clears stale entitlements. And remember, if system prompts appear, allow them so the flow stays uninterrupted and reliable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.